Hey folks, how you doing? My name is Jerry Lee and I'm the owner of Overstock Express, where you always pay less. No frills, just deals. Listen folks, I'm not here to frill you, I'm just here to deal you. Now, I know you're saying, whoa, why is this guy so excited? Why is this guy so wound up? I'll tell you why I'm so wound up, folks. Because last month I just made $35,000. Whoa, you're saying $35,000? Yeah. Now, what I want to do is I want to offer you a piece of the pie. All you have to do is go to my website, check out my website at www.overstockexpress.weebly.com. Look at my website, give me a call. For $10,000 investment, I can offer you a recession-proof business where you can make $30,000 to $35,000 a month. How many times do I have to say that, folks? Listen, if you don't do this, you're passing up an opportunity to own your own business. I'll put the merchandise in your store, all my advertising, all my marketing, use my concept, and the business is 100% yours. That's right. I'm giving it to you. I know. It's crazy, right? I'm giving you a business. $10,000 investment. I'm going to give you a storefront, a retail storefront, with my advertising that says Overstock Express, all my marketing plans, my whole concept, and merchandise inside your store. Everything from electronics to housewares, cookwares. Folks, I have everything from a tent to a tampon. You give me a call. I'll talk to you later. Bye, folks.